morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Yard and Foreign Life TV. We are at Orlando International Airport heading to big city, New Orleans. Stay tuned for more. Join us on our trip. Welcome.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is New Orleans Airport. So just the plane is right there. That's the gate we're coming out of. And yes, this is it. Some restaurants and hangout spots are here. So let's go. So people no cancel, no never come at New Orleans, you know.
in the Florida kind of weather. It's 81 degrees out here. Feels genuinely good. No extreme heat, no extreme cold.
You heard it. Nice and easy. So, we're gonna rent a car, and that's the bus. So we need to catch that bus. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video.
All others, please remain seated while the bus is in motion. We should be arriving at the New Orleans International Airport Consolidated Rental Car Center in approximately 20 minutes. Please note that the Consolidated Rental Car Shuttle Bus System operates 24 hours a day.
Here it guys, 20 minutes on the bus. And now we are almost body turn up on the bus. Everybody sit down. Look the back.
Check it out.
Yeah. Yeah, almost somebody press the button again. Yeah man, so in the next 20 minutes we link up back. Peace. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, the 20 minutes has expired on that bus. So we are entering the car rental area. No, that word did not work. Make we look like fool. Alright, so stay tuned, we'll be right back. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video, and we'll be back shortly. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the Enterprise car rental area, and these are the cars that they have, and they do it in zones. And this vehicle right here is the only vehicle that's left. It's a VW Jetta. So we're gonna drive a VW Jetta today. So stay tuned, we will be right back. Well, actually, let me examine the car first before we hang up.
We're en route to Biloxi. It's just like an hour and a half away.
And that's in Mississippi.
Okay, this is East High 10 en route to Biloxi in Mississippi. It's going to be about an hour and a half ride.
Merge onto I-10 East.
Watch what I go on. Stay with us on the ride. Enjoy the views. And like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let us know how you feel about the road trip. Stay tuned. Alright, watch your ride. Watch the ride. Yard and Foreign Life TV. Watch where I go on with the expressway.
Foreign life is about our life, foreign life. So let's look at what's going on, how we're gonna spend our weekend. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. Make comments. Give thumbs up. If you don't do nothing else, if you don't do anything else, subscribe and give a thumbs up. Mississippi. Just crossed over. Ladies and gentlemen, the Biloxi road. Trust me. Sleep kill me. You wanna sleep. So you want me to do? I'm gonna do a 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes sleep and then hit back your road. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to this video, you probably should do so. So see you in a minute.
Look to Biloxi. And I hope you guys made it here safely too. So stay tuned for more. See y'all later. Oh, yes, it's
Yeah, man.
say something. Say something.
You really look changed. How long ago?
So really?
Yes, you changed a lot.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, so we are gonna eat at a place called Catch 110. Crazy seafood happening inside here. So let's see. Stay tuned. So we have to go upstairs. Yeah. If you're too busy, we have to leave.
And they have live band. I don't know if it was that particular. Or if it's that particular. It was a Sunday, so that particular day of the week.
So yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the bar. People are eating and enjoying themselves and stuff like that. So yeah, it's a good vibe. All of that. Having sitting area. You know. Yeah, it's good.
Customers parking only. He's Jamaican.
So can we go for them?
Okay. So you know him a jam.
Chef, what going?
What's up, brother? Oh yeah, you have
Me rotted. Of
Pick up
course,
yourself,
man.
man. Where the pan?
I want a YouTube channel where I go and work for them.
Yeah? No,
man.
don't worry yourself,
Yeah,
man. The right spot,
Foreign
you come.
Life TV, you know?
Yes,
Yeah, man.
nice,
So I
nice.
said,
Well, this is your first time in this locality?
yeah, man. I first have visited so that today too.
Welcome to Biloxi, Mississippi, brother.
Because Florida we live.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So
Nice.
what? It just opened?
No, man. We have been around for about 6 years. Two locations. Well, the first one was in Ocean Springs. This is the second location. How long have we
Alright,
been here?
so we
For
go,
5 years? 4 years.
Oh, Jamaican food in there, right?
Oh, well, yeah, brother.
Yeah, man. Me just ask. Yeah, so we link up a Jamaican restaurant. So we are going to go in and go see what I go on. Stay tuned. Yeah, man, so you know, look at some live band and thing. Look good, you know. Mississippi. What the address?
This is 124 Lemieux Street, Biloxi, Mississippi.
124 Lemieux
124 Lemieux Street. Yeah, man.
Biloxi,
Only
Mississippi.
authentic Jamaican restaurant in the area. Real Mackay.
Alright.
You're bad like yeah.
Yeah, man. Good. Accolades. Yeah, man. Good.
Oh, the yard man.
Hey, man, a yard, man. Yeah.
Yes, man. Real thing.
Yeah, man.
But that don't tell you much still, you know. You want to see the real Mackay?
Yeah.
Follow me. You cater to just Jamaicans or the world.
World.
So let's use English that everybody can understand.
Yes.
I beg your pardon.
Yes.
Because we Jamaicans, you know, we love chat with patois.
Yeah.
But when it is necessary, we have a great command of the English language.
Yes.
Yes? Yes, we do. This way, please. Careful, watch it. Step up.
All right. Wow. Hey.
See? Real thing.
Oh my
Real
God.
thing, man.
This
I'm showing you
is-
what go on.
Listen, man. Yes, man. Look, that man.
Succulent.
Nice.
Yes.
Jeez.
Yes. Perfection.
Yeah, man.
Slow cooked to perfection.
That's nice.
Oh,
Very
jeez.
nice. Very nice. Very authentic.
Look,
Yes.
juicy.
Yes.
Not dry. And they smoke perfume.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
So these are ready for turn yet. These need a little more eat. Yeah, man. But why that smell that you're smelling
Yes,
now
man.
is, of course, I
know,
use
sir.
choice real charcoal. Yeah, we don't use a little nonsense them.
Right.
Real charcoal, just like Jamaica. Yes, and then along with that.
Real good.
Yes, man. This is not in Jamaican, but Jamaica. This is called pecan wood. It's really very nice, nice flavor. When last you see one real axe bread, I see it.
Jeez.
Real old-fashioned
Yeah,
thing.
man.
So we chop up the wood and we pack it on top of the charcoal.
Yeah.
Yes, and then that gives it a
The
unique
aroma.
flavor. Yeah, we can't get pimento wood here like we use a yard. So
Right,
we have to
right.
find a suitable substitute.
Yes,
Yes.
That's
Yes.
good. That's good. You're doing good.
Oh my God. Yeah, owner.
Yeah, man.
Oh jeez. Yeah, man. That good, man. That good, man. That good.
Yes, and that's a food truck. And
Oh,
that's
they
getting
have a
ready
food
to
truck too?
go to Alabama. Yeah, my son,
Wow.
that's his business. He runs that.
Oh, so no, I go on. Everything good. See, no respect, man. Love that, you know. Love it.
Yes.
Yeah, I love it.
Generation to generation.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
So are you a vehicle, man? Are you a vehicle, man?
Yeah, man. This one, this is what I'd pull that, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man, and that I'm all back up if
Old
you know.
one. Yeah, man. Yeah,
That's why
man.
we use run and the thing
Yeah,
you have to
man.
worry about it.
Yeah, man.
You see?
Yeah, man.
So you have upstairs, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Nice, man.
We have to have that. If we don't have oxtail, when the people that come here, they think I'm Black Jesus, they want to crucify me and that tree out there. Oh, yeah, man.
Me I tell you, your ambience look good.
Yeah, man, I appreciate that. Yeah, if you want a little synopsis from the outside, we can do that.
Yeah, man.
If you want. Big up yard, man.
Enough respect here.
He eats here regularly.
Every day.
Regularly.
Do it every day, yeah?
Let's go.
Lock back the door. Lock in some my breeze.
So this is the center of attraction
Yes.
for Mississippi. That hotel right across there. That
Hard Rock.
Cafe, yeah, man, very familiar.
Yes.
People love to go there and hang out and nice wild
Yeah,
parties,
man.
school parties and something like that. Now that is the Bow River. And that's the most sophisticated of them all. Yeah. So that's the Hard Rock, that's the Bow River.
Okay.
And we are surrounded, if you go down the stretch, you're going to see a lot more casinos.
Yeah.
That's what fuels this
Me
area.
realize a lot of casinos are here.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Personally, I think they should be doing much more for the community, but at least they provide jobs.
Yes,
you know.
yes.
But I think they should have some kind of program where they get involved,
Yeah.
you know, on the local level some more and help the community, smaller business, look for smaller business.
Right. Me like how, you know, say I open me base.
We're right down the road from you.
Which
We're
part?
originally Kingstonians, but about 35 years ago I moved to Green Island.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah?
Close.
Yeah, man.
Travel to them, man. Check out Margaritaville.
Yeah, man.
Margaritaville, nice.
Yeah, man.
A different concept here, so it's like an arcade,
Okay.
family grounds, the nice little vibe.
All right.
Yeah, man.
No respect here.
Blessings all up for you.
Yeah, man. I hear that, people. Oh wait, that way. Oh, okay.
Like in this area, like this restaurant, I've been to like a few others, like they're good too, you know, but
Wait, then the one thing to get that part of the other
Yeah, man. Talk again.
Say no.
yeah, so this restaurant,
Yeah.
one we're in right now, CB's, is like, it's really good. So I've been to like 3 different restaurants in Mississippi, and I would say like this one here specifically is like the best one.
Best one.
In this area.
By far.
Yeah, man.
By far.
By far.
Like the other ones are good, don't get me wrong, but this one like just hits
By
different,
far.
you
By
know?
far. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And that's your specialty. You always get a jerk.
Yeah, so usually I get jerk chicken or the ribs or the
you got
fish.
ribs too?
Yeah, it does ribs too.
So how long you live here?
I'm just passing through, so I'm here for job training.
Job training.
Because I'm in the military.
So how long? How long is that?
So it's roughly like half a year.
Half a year.
6 months.
Okay, and you find this spot and you glue to this spot.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I
Since
swear.
I'm gonna be here for like a couple months,
yes,
so I might as
yes,
well like
yes.
find,
Enjoy
like,
it while it lasts,
Yeah,
right?
man.
Yeah.
So our first time coming here, you know, we did our first day. We're just visiting. We're from Florida.
I'm from Florida.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're just visiting. We're
He's from
visiting.
West Palm.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're from Orlando.
Orlando.
Yeah. So we're just passing through and hail up some families and stuff like that.
Okay.
And we just decided to drive past and we see this Jamaican sign out there.
Yeah.
So we just circle and come in. Then we see the owner out there. Sir.
Once you have it in you, your spirit just come alive. Once you hear it, you only want to see something say Jamaica. And when you realize that a real yard man, you know you take off. You don't mess up.
Yeah, because an idea, like I feel like at home. You know?
Yeah, man. Yes. When we come in, you know, the ambience and everything. Trust me, bring it back.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
the music.
And the music and them something there. Yeah, man.
Music, the surroundings.
Yeah.
You can tell.
By the way, you did subscribe?
Oh yeah. And you know, like I already told her I'm from
Yeah.
St. Thomas.
Yeah, okay.
So, like, I know like both blogs and stuff.
Yes. That's okay. Yeah, man. Nice meeting you. What your name again?
Touch.
Touch.
Yes.
Elvis.
Elvis.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
So we're going to see if we can.
Everything that you're about to do, you'll find greatness.
Yeah, man. And you know, thanks for your services. Yes, sir. Really appreciate it.
Tell a lot of people like the military, like set yourself up right.
Yeah.
Pick a right job.
Yes.
Because in my situation, unfortunately, like I didn't pick the right job at first because just sort of.
You just wanted to do something where you didn't want to commit. So now that you're in it, you're like, okay, I could commit and I'll find something better.
Yeah, because military like is a good stepping stone.
Oh yes. So
certain
now
young people.
So you can go to school
because it teaches you responsibility.
Right.
You have a lot to gain, knowledge-wise, and you can use it for the better. You can retire early.
You get
The
to travel.
options are great.
You get to travel. Like I've been to so many different countries. Like I've been to Japan. I've been to Asia. I've been to Kuwait. Like
Wow.
just numerous places.
Yes.
Like, I'll show you out some. Like,
Yeah, man. I want to see them on the camera too, you know.
let me see if This was Shibuya.
Oh. Yeah?
I was into this.
Yeah, man. Oh, nice, man.
Like just being there in real time.
Yeah.
Videos don't do it.
Right. Yeah, man. Me know.
Just being around these people like nightlife,
Yes.
insane.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
So, and that's just military, you know? Right place, right time.
Yeah, man.
That's good. Thanks for
Nice.
sharing.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Just opportunities like that, like, you know, like certain, like, it's just life, like, I feel very fortunate.
Yes.
Like, my situation, like, I've always
Listen, let me tell you your new word. You're blessed.
oh, yeah, for sure.
Right. Not fortunate, but you're blessed.
So whenever you're planning to use that word again, say blessed.
Always blessed.
Yeah,
The
man.
grace of God.
Yes.
Right place, right
Yes.
time.
Yes.
It's all about timing.
Yeah.
No matter what
All right.
you do, it's all about God's time. That's why we're here today. God's timing.
Yeah, I like Mississippi as a state. It's not bad. Because at first I was kind of like indifferent to it. I was like,
Two country, yeah?
yeah. Compared to Florida, like
Kind
where
of
I'm
too
from,
boring and stuff like that. But then,
Yeah.
if you're a kind of person who doesn't really like to go out and stuff like that, Mississippi is alright.
yes.
I mean, it is livable.
But there is nightlife in Mississippi.
And yes.
It just doesn't start until after midnight.
Well, that's true because when you
I've
understand
been
that some of
here.
the people them not sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, they got casinos and all that.
Yeah.
But like, I'm not really like gambling. So
Right.
That's not unfortunate.
All right.
Like, beaches, like I was just in
Yes.
Florida like a couple months ago.
Yeah.
I was just like,
Getting something?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what you getting?
Oxtails.
All right. So enough respect here.
I'm on Century City.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Oxtail.
Like that? Okay, man. Give me
Yes. So you say you're from IHOP.
Yes.
All right. So you say one is where? One is where?
Gulfport, Mississippi.
One is up there and one is over there.
Yes, one in Biloxi and one in Gulfport.
Okay. So why you come here?
Oxtails. The best
Oxtail.
oxtails.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Jamaica.
Yeah, man. You're not from Jamaica?
No, I go one day though.
You went what? You?
My friend.
Oh yeah. How did you enjoy it?
Yeah. One day.
Oh, okay.
I wanna go one day.
Okay.
One day.
Yes, definitely.
You're gonna
Yes.
having the food so that you can get your
That's right. Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Y'all have to come to IHOP and eat with me too. IHOP.
Oh,
Come to IHOP and eat too.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yes.
So you're one of the cooks at IHOP.
Yes, I'm the manager. Cook. I do it all. It don't matter anyway. It ain't no one man
One
job.
man.
Oh, okay. Well, this YouTube channel is called Yard and Foreign Life TV, all English spelling. If you want to subscribe, you can.
What is it?
Yard and Foreign Life TV. Yard, Y-A-R-D, and F-O-R-E-I-G-N. Life TV. You saw it?
Life.
L-I-F-E.
Okay, I got it.
Like over there on certain American that can just code switch. Like when they're on American can just like code switch.
Oh yeah.
She put it in for me.
Yes, sir. And I thank you. You'll see yourself on it.
Ladies, they like doing this kind of stuff.
Yes. Well, I'm glad you
How long
enjoyed
you
the
been here? How long you
upstate.
been here?
We just got here today.
Mississippi?
Yeah, we just came. I mean,
Never been?
today.
First time?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah, we just came to visit some families. That's all.
How long y'all here?
We're leaving on Sunday. Well, we're leaving Mississippi today, but we're going to Louisiana and we'll
Okay.
leave there on Sunday.
We're going to Louisiana, New Orleans.
Yeah, it's New Orleans.
New Orleans. It's nice. You gonna like it. You never been to New Orleans?
Nah, I have not. I want to.
It's nice, man.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's just crowded, you know, a lot of people, a lot of tourists. A lot of tourists.
Yeah, man.
You always make me.
I'm going right back at you.
This is wrong.
That's when the person cut the guy from.
Yellow?
And yellows. Yeah. That's why when I tell you that, but we used to go like Mansionil and all of that.
Okay.
So we were in Portland. This video, the last one we put up,
Yeah.
that's Portland.
Yo, there's this blogger fellow, he's from St. Thomas. His name is Big Super. I'm sure it is. That's like 30, almost 30. So this is
Big Super Road vlog. Okay.
yeah. So he pretty much do what y'all do with the camera, but he has like a GoPro, just like showcases like
A lot of stuff.
yeah. And he doesn't really go to St. Thomas specifically. Well, majority of the time like he showcases St. Thomas, but he goes to like other parishes like Portland, Town, Naples, like everywhere else.
So what we did was travel along the coastline because we were in St. Anne's Bay. So we just moved all the way from St. Anne's Bay, go through Oche, Port Maria, St. Mary, just on the coast.
I know I went to Jamaica last week. I went to Mumbai, you know. Oh no,
Get oxtail double babies.
Oh, I don't know. That's probably a calling order.
Okay, I didn't get no double.
Where are them, G?
I just want beans. That's it. There's oxtails and beans.
Yeah, oxtail
Beans and rice?
babies. Yeah.
Oh,
one of them.
Jesus, you know, my party.
Okay.
man. Tell my brother, I came by.
Yeah, man, all right.
Yeah, one of them things.
Pineapple at the bottom.
Oh, the answer. Oh, yeah, definitely.
Oh, this also I'm not going to say.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's good to be here in Mississippi. So if you come to Mississippi, you come to 124 Lemieux Street, Biloxi, Mississippi. Yeah. So when me drive, it's like I drive when I drive around, and then it's like when I look, I see this Jamaican sign, and I say, wait, Jamaican something over there, so I circle the black and when I look to see who around there, so of course you won't see the cars, you won't yeah. And when I come out of the car, rolling glass, I jerk that box in my face. Yeah, man. So of course, seafood, when I look, seafood, because we know, say, I mean, they are Mississippi. Nothing really much now at me so in terms of Caribbean. So when you see some box in my face, the jerk sense, I said, nah man, change my mind, no seafood now. I read Jamaican food right now. Yeah man. So yeah. The ambience is good, everything is good, so it's a good vibe. So remember to like, subscribe and share this video. So ladies and gentlemen, look at this salad.
And it's not
And believe me, that's just the salad, The food not there yet. Now look there. Look good, not true? Yeah man. Hey, may I tell us we drink one drinks. Watch this. You know, but the company need to bust some more because me not see it no way. I just hear some make see it. Mango. And I tell you say it naturally enough. Yo, it tastes so refreshing. And then this pineapple one. Yeah man, good man. So that one I done nothing in there. This have a little drop left in there, but guess what? We are order 2 more because guess what? Bad. Yeah, so yeah, it's a good vibes.
time.
Say it again.
Taste testing time.
Alright, so shall
Just
go.
like it look delicious with the eyes, and you know what? You eat with your eyes first.
Yeah, man.
Then your taste. So here we go.
So them have them kind of dressing here.
And I just use the balsamic because the balsamic tastes better when you have nuts.
Yeah.
Very
Look
nice.
good. The vegetable them look fresh and look firm, and she say it tastes good. So yes, it's a place to come. I'm gonna show you the address once more. Yeah, that is it. So if you're here in Mississippi, be sure to come to this place, CB's Jamaican Jerk. So if you haven't subscribed to this video, please please subscribe and like this channel, give a thumbs up, and we'll be right back. Babes, where food there?
There wasn't any food, there was just salad, but it's all
Oh
gone.
my god, look on that. People, you see that? We can't believe it. Every part, every one I cheese, they want ya. I just actually left, you know? Nothing else. Where food there? So you enjoy it.
The salad was good.
Yeah, that's good.
I love it.
Yeah? Yeah, man. Yard of Fire Life TV.
Ooh. Me say you taste it and want some yourself that I asked you.
But it's alright. We're not going to it. Oh, you have some people. You have
Yes,
to do
man.
it. Yeah, go take some more drinks here. Go take some more drinks.
Okay, picture before.
So that's the apps deal.
Thanks for your patience. So once I get to your table.
And this is Jerk. So here what we are going to do now, people. We are going to enjoy it together. So stick around, stay tuned. Yes, people. So we are gonna indulge in this amazing food. Tastes beside jerk chicken. Just taste it. Here she spill out over there. See this? Tender, very tender. Me want to drop a gun a while ago. Watch that. That's steel, you know? I don't know why I was cooking, but maybe in the cooking from last week. Yeah. Tender. Man, can make work, you know? Yeah, man. Season good. Very tender. Excellent. But you rise it. Try to take rice and swallow one. Like sometimes I know some chef cooking meat good. The rice toughy, stuff like that. Check out the rice and all. Last thing in my plate I go touch. This is the rice, you can eat by itself. You have to eat it with meat and gravy. That's how rice tastes. Yeah, man. Man, no it work. Trust me, it's way better than what we're gonna search for. Seafood we're gonna search for. Nothing no beat this.
Really had a taste for crab legs, but I guess I'm gonna get it for that later.
Nice, you know?
Everything good, man.
Yeah, man, everything good. Respect here. Man, know it work, you know? Man, come over here with confidence and ask how it tastes. The chef knows say miss up. Now I'm gonna ask her the question, you know. But she knows saying good. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so if you ever there, Mississippi, have to check out 124 Lemuse Street. Great Jamaican food. CB's Jerk. Jamaican Jerk. Buns. Flaky, you know? Tender. Belly full, you know? So all I bone them chew up. Yeah. Boss.
This pepper can use.
People want to get good food and then come to the restaurant. Yeah, man. You want to get good food and then come to the restaurant. Yeah, man. So, if you have passed through, come here, so CB Jamaican Jerk. 124 Lemuse Street, Biloxi, Mississippi. So we are going to make a run. Did you guys enjoy the meal? I sure did. We're gonna make a run. So
See you soon. See you now.
yeah.
That's why sometimes when you go into a new environment, you just have to sometimes just go with how you feel. Because I was gonna go and get me some crab legs because I am a seafood lover, but I said let's go past the crab place and drive around. And when we tried to drive around, I saw this. I saw CB on the outside. Didn't know his name at the time, but trust me, on the inside, that meal that I had was so delicious, and it's cooked with much flavor and love. So anytime you find yourself a Biloxi, stop by CB Jamaican Jerk. It will be worth the trip.
124 Lemuse Street, Biloxi, Mississippi. Yes. Google, you can find it on Google. Anyway, peace out. Okay, Professor. What is it that we are teaching today? What's your lecturing all about?
The wreck community. The wreck is stuff cast ashore by the sea. Much of this once grew in the sea, like seaweeds and seagrasses. These marine castaway, they foster protective dunes. And you know what are dunes? It's just sometimes like we build up sea castle. It's something looking like the sea castles that we build that are called dunes. And that supports the natural looking beauty that you see over there. Take a look. That's called sea life. You see the seagulls and you see all of them getting in the water because it is kind of hot out here.
Keeping cool and feeding.
Unwinding, Mississippi.
Okay. So see, they're cleaning the beach in this portrait right here, and you know these are the
creatures that they're represented out there in real life.
Alright, so I think we should go to the beach and see what happened. Oh, so see, that's a dune, right? They live there. Some of those creatures live there, nest there and stuff like that.
So we have arrived.
Oh yeah. Yes, we have arrived at
That's our final destination for the night.
Yeah. Yes, so we are gonna just settle down, get a shower, and unwind and relax a little. Because really and truly, we are tired.
Let me just say this: thank you guys for staying with us on the trip, and I know you had a lovely time yourself, just like we did. So stay tuned. Now watch the face. Just keep watching what's going on.
So we'll see you on the next video, and thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, like and share this video, and peace out.